Pull up to the bumper, baby. Hey y'all, if y'all are interested in a vintage hairstyle, I'm doing a baby bump. If you like this, it's a bumper bang hairstyle. And interested in this hairstyle, keep watching. Hey guys, today I'm coming at you to do a super quick, easy style. It is a bumper bang. So I'm going to be using this. I had cut this in my last video, and it's really one of those donuts. So I'm going to be using that as my bang. And if you have not subscribed, make sure that you do hit the subscribe button. You know what to do if you're a YouTuber, a watcher, a viewer. I don't need to go through the details. Just hit that red button below. And if you are part of the tribe, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. I'm just going to be going through a little quick updo. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with the back, but I know I'm going to be starting with the front. And I had my hair twisted for a whole week, and I'm just going to start out with taking, it's already parted the way I want it. I'll just even out this part. And I'm going to comb it through. Now I'm going to just smooth it down. And I'm going to use this like a roller. So I'm going to take this and start rolling it up. Now with the extra, I'm going to spread this so it covers. Hopefully it will cover the whole thing. If not, I'm going to have to cut it down. It may be a little bit too long, but I wonder if I can play with it. Yeah, what I'll do is wrap it. I'm going to pin it to hold this down. And I'm just going to pin it on each side just to hold the donut. Hold on, I need two hands. These bobby pins always twist. Just to kind of secure the two sides. Now I'm going to take this side, comb it through, and swing it over to cover that little end. Just make sure you cover the whole thing, and then you're going to pin to the top of the hair. And then you're going to do the same thing with this side. You're going to part it down the middle. Take this, and you're just going to swing it over so you make sure you're covering. Oop, make sure that doesn't slide out. And you're going to pin that over. And you can just do another section just to make sure the whole thing is covered. So I may have to do one more section, and I'm just going to do a thin section. Take this, comb it through, and just take it, well, I may put a little bit. I wanted to make sure that it covers the whole thing, so take enough to cover that section. just want to wrap it over. Let me see. It's actually sliding, so this last part may be a little difficult. May have to go under and over, and then use a bobby pin. Hold on. That bobby pin. Okay, so take it. Oh Lord. Okay. You want to give me a hard time today, don't you? Yes. Or what I can do is to wrap it and wrap it under. You just want to make sure it's concealed. Now with this part, you just want to comb. You want to conceal this part, the puffy part. So I'm going to part it down the middle. Take this, twist, come over and pin. And you do want it to have a little of a high bump in the back. And you want to conceal this with this section, so you want to make sure you comb this out to stretch it out a bit. And this is really a 5-minute do. So you want to take it and twist it in, and you want to conceal this section, so you want to actually put that. Now, since there is a little, because my hair's not long enough, it's not pulling all the way like I thought it would. Ooh. Okay, I had to switch my position because my chair collapsed. I still have to, my chair is broken, so I fell on the floor, so I had to switch up the position. So this is the tail end. So since my hair is not long enough to cover, if your hair is long enough, you'll be able to wrap it and cover that section. I'm going to use a barrette and just kind of pin that in to conceal it. And tuck it under the barrette to kind of hide. And make sure that's tucked under too in the front. And you can use, I guess, any hair barrette. I kind of wanted to use that since I'm wearing brown today, and it blends with my outfit. So there you have it, and then you just want to make sure you brush the back. I'm going to add a little bit of my curls gel. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Quick do's for 2019. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you hit hit like, 2 thumbs up, and also make sure you hit subscribe if you want to be a part of the tribe and join the community. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.